Everybody, it's Jacob Vile. Today I'm going to see how my back hatch is flexing after I had my back hatch wood installed. Covering my window. It's really curious to see the result difference I'm going to have here with this. So I'll give y'all a little demo footage for the next couple of minutes, or who knows how long, to show y'all how the flex is on the low end, on the high end. Just an official other demo after doing the updates. So y'all got to see with the roof I did this. Watch previous videos if you haven't on the roof and how the roof flexes now versus before. So now you're going to see the same with the back hatch. Excited to see how much it changed. So we shall see. Single 512 on a Crescendo 6K. My voltage is doing probably not so well, but I'm not going to focus on that. It gets probably mid to high 12s, right below clipping. So pretty happy with the results though. But here we go. We'll find out how the demo does. Let's do this. Alright, so y'all got to see that. Not gonna play too long. Of course, people don't like loud music, but did not see a whole lot of flex anywhere. The only areas I saw it were in the back end. Here, let me get another song going. I know y'all want to see flex and bass, but the pressure is contained. So my glass is not flexing as much as it was after adding this third brace. My roof is hardly moving. My back area, I opened up the back just to kind of see how much it was moving back here. So when I had it open, the only area that moved was just this, and that's just a little bit. So I couldn't see any kind of movement back here. But for some reason right here, it's moving a lot. So I got to figure out what I can do with that. A lot of the pressure is more contained, and it is brutal. You can't really see flex on video, which is good. Flex is bad, but the pressure is contained. So now we're going to find out another one. We'll find out how it does on the lows more. So there's still a good bit of flex, especially certain notes, which is okay, but it's not as bad as it was. So I'm definitely happy with the results on this. I know some of you guys are like, man, where's all the flex? It's a single 12, doesn't look too loud. I don't know what y'all expect, but I'm happy with it. And this is definitely sealed off all the way around. So what I'm gonna do real quick is play one more on video. I'm gonna play something with like half volume, and we'll see how it's the air pressure is contained in the back. So let me turn this up to around 40. I'll play something with a constant lower notes that I know that does pretty well, and we'll see how this is doing. All right, let's do 32 hertz. All right, so back here, I don't feel anything. So I put my hand all the way around. Nothing. So that was about 8 to 10 clicks from full tilt. Didn't feel any flex in the back end. Definitely happy with the results. So I'm gonna turn this off and let me explain what happened and where we are and give you all an update and leave y'all be. So I just want to say thanks for watching and thanks for all the support. Really happy to see. So initially, between all of my tests, between the braces, the roof, wood roof, third brace, this back, I went from doing 52s to 54s. So 2 dB plus gain between my wood roof, my wooden back hatch, and my 3 braces. So it was really impressive to see 2 to 3 dB gain by just having these 3 tests. Watch all of my video series of how I made the wood roof, how I did the back hatch if you haven't watched that, and pretty much how I installed these braces and the concept of them. So I really appreciate all y'all's support and watching. Glad to see the results. And I can physically show you all the process on video. Instead of just telling you the numbers, I can show you the process of what I did to do it, as well as how I got to where I am with that. So single 512, subwoofer still breaking in. Subwoofer is barely hot, and of course it's in a sealed section, so a lot of different videos to watch to learn from. But there you all go, big build update. Minimal flex out of doing a back hatch wood structure. Wouldn't highly recommend doing it unless you don't care about looks and you're trying to gain some numbers. Definitely worth it for me, especially for a single 12. Minimal flex, but you're not gonna be able to see the flex on video, but it's louder in the cabin, and that's what I wanted. All right, so that's a build update today. I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.